Morning students. Today I will show you how to convert 4-bit binary into decimal in Proteus. Okay, so let me just share my screen so that I can show you how to convert the 4-bit binary into decimal. So I'll just go directly to the Proteus. So this is the screen where I've already designed 4-bit binary and I'll convert it into decimal. So as we all know, 4-bit binary, so if we are giving 0 0 0 0, the output should be 0 and 0 in both the 7-segment display. Here I've made use of two 7-segment displays because I'm making use of 4-bit binary. For 4-bit binary, definitely we need to have two 7-segment displays, because with one 7-segment display we can just display till 0 to 9, only till 9. Okay, but here since we are having 4-bit, so we can have maximum display that can be 15 if all are 1111. Clear? So in that case we need to have two 7-segment displays. So I've made use of two 7-segment displays. Now let's see what are the extra components that are required. So I've taken four logic toggles. Here the logic toggle is already here, so I've taken four logic toggle for 4-bit representation. Clear? Now this particular IC is, as we can see, it is 74283. The IC number is 74283. Now this IC 74283 is nothing but 4-bit binary parallel ladder. 4-bit binary parallel ladder, we all know the concept of 4-bit binary parallel ladder. Here we are having 4-bit input from the logic toggle that we have already given. So A0 is given here, as we can see that A0 is connected to here. Then we have A1 connected to the second logic toggle, third logic toggle is connected to A2, fourth logic toggle is connected to A3. So that is how we have given all the 4-bit inputs to the uh, 4-bit binary parallel adder. That is the first 4-bit set of inputs. Now we have, as if we just check with this, we have four outputs are S0, S1, S2 and S3. Okay, so if we just give 0 0 0 0, all the four summation outputs will be 0 0 0 0. Now because here the second set of 4-bit is not enabled till now, abhi tak humne the 4-bit of second input is not given, because we can give it only when it is more than 9, when the output, the sum is more than 9. In that case this one is required. Now let's see what is the logic that is required to enable the second set of 4-bit input, that is B0, B1, B2 and B3. Now the logic is, when we are saying that the input is more than 1001, 1001 means what it is? If it is more than 9, that means suppose it is 10, that is 1010. Now if I am giving 1010, here the display should show, here it shows 1 and here it should show 0, right? And if I am giving 1011, that means the display should show 1 here in this display, and the second display should show 1, that is 1 and 1, 11. So accordingly, the set of input, if I give the combinations of input, accordingly I should get the decimal output. Clear? Now for that say, what is our condition? The condition is the last input, that is A3. A3 has to be always high, that is A3 has to be always high, that is the last bit. A3 has to be always high. Now among A2 and A1, if among A2 and A1 any of this, if it is going high, in that case we need to add 6 to the input. We need to add 6, that is 0110, to the same set of input combinations, so that we can get the desired output. Clear? If we are having 1001 say greater set of input, if the input combination is, let us support 1010, the input is 1010. Here I am giving 1, here I am giving 1, sorry, here I am giving 1, here I am giving 0, here also I am giving 1, and here also I am giving 0. So if it is 1010, in that case what I am saying, that we need to add 6 to it, that is 0110. So if we are adding 6 to it, what happens, the output will be, that is we'll get a carry output here, that is C4 will go high, and all this set of inputs will be 0000. Now we can even check by any of the by taking with any of the combinations. Okay, if any of the combination that is after 9, that is 1001 के बाद कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन लेंगे तो उसमें हमें 6 ऐड करना पड़ेगा, सो दैट वी कैन गेट द प्रॉपर डिस्प्ले आउट ऑफ इट. तो कैरी हाई होगा और हमें प्रॉपर डिस्प्ले मिल जाएगा. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टेकन द लॉजिक एज, इफ A3 is high, along with that either A2 or A1 should go high. So I've taken A3 here. This is my A3. A3 is given to both the AND gates. I've taken two set of AND gates. So A3 is ANDed first to A2. यहाँ पर ये A2 से AND हो गया है. This one is ANDed here. A3 is ANDed with A2. ठीक है. Now in the second AND gate, the same A3 is ANDed with A1. So if both, that is A3 either with A2 or if A3 either with A1, if it is going high, if this is going high, then this OR will go high, and this OR, the OR logic, it is given to the second 2 bits, that is the middle 2 bits of the second set of 4-bit combination, that is to B1 and B2, and these two are going high, and the rest of the bits, that is the B0 and B3, they are directly connected to ground, that is their value is 0. So the value of B0 and B3 is given 0. ठीक है. So accordingly we get the output. तो यहाँ पर B0 और B3 is given 0. And in fact I have taken this C0. C0 is what? That is the input carry. This is also grounded. तो ये भी आपका 0 हो जाएगा. So what is high? That is just 0, 1, 1, 0. So middle bits, that is B2 and B1 are high, and B3 and B3 and B0 are low. So that is how we can add 6 to the input combinations if the input combination is above 9, that is after 1001. If it is 1010, 1011, 1100, and for all these combinations 6 will go high. Now if this 6 is added, the output, whatever is the output, that is S0 say S3, the sum output will be given to this particular display, and the carry, here the carry is generated. The carry output is given to the first input of this particular BCD to 7 segment display. Now this is a 7447 IC. 7447 IC is nothing but BCD to 7 segment display. यहाँ पर the input is just 4-bit BCD. हम यहाँ पर ABCD is the BCD input that is taken, ठीक है, and the output is connected to the 7 segment display. Now here we have taken the common cathode 7 segment, common anode, sorry, it is a common anode 7 segment display, and the here we have the power pin. यहाँ पर आपको power भी connect करना पड़ता है, otherwise the 7 segment display will not display. So we need to give the power to it also. So the power is given commonly to both the 7 segment display. So we have taken 27447 IC 7447. This is for the second bit, and this is for the ones position bit. ठीक है, दिस इज फॉर 10th पोजीशन बिट एंड दिस इज फॉर सेकंड पोजीशन डिजिट. हमारा डेसिमल में हो रहा है तो ये हमारा 1st पोजीशन का डिजिट होगा, ये हमारा 10th पोजीशन का डिजिट होगा. सो अकॉर्डिंगली द आउटपुट ऑल द 4-bit सम is given to the BCD input of this 7447 IC, and rest of the three input जो आपका दिया है, these are not required as we don't need to connect them. ठीक है, just keep it as it is. Here also only one input is given and rest of the three bits are, that is BCD, are connected to ground. As we can see, all the three inputs BCD, they are connected to ground. We don't need them as we want only one to get displayed here. Clear? We just want only one to get displayed here. So that is how we can design our 4-bit binary to decimal. Here I've taken 2 AND gate, 1 OR gate, 1 4-bit binary parallel adder, that is 74283 IC. The IC number is 74283 IC. And then I've taken 7447 IC, that is 7447 IC is used for BCD to 7 segment, to display the 7 segment output. Okay, so I've taken 2 because we want 2 digits to get displayed here. One more 7447, and the display is a 7 segment common anode display in which we have one power input that is required to be connected. Clear? The power is required to be connected. So that is how we have designed it. Now let's check by running it. Now I'm playing the clicking on the run button. Here it is run. Now we can see that as all my inputs are 0 0 0 0, the display is showing 0 and 0. Now I should give 1 to it. Let us give 1. Now we can see that it is 0 1. So this is 0 0 0 1. This one is 0, A3, A2, A1 and A0. A0 is 1, that is the LSB, that is the least significant bit is 1. So that is how it is showing 0 and 1. Now let me check with 0 0 1 0. 0 0 1 0 is 2. So this is how I get the decimal value 2. Now I give 0 0 1 and 1, I'll get the decimal value 3. This is 0 and this is showing 3. Now if I give the 0 1 0 0, again it is showing 4. 0 1 0 0, it is showing 4. Now if I give 0 1 0 1, it's showing 5. Yeah, so 0 1 0 1 is showing 5. Now 0 1 1 0, now it is showing 6. 0 1 1 0 is showing 6. If I give 0 1 1 1, it is showing 7. We can see that the value is 0 1 1 1, it is showing 7. Now let me just turn all 0 and just let me turn this one on. A3, it's 1 0 0 0, it is 8. Now if I give 1 0 0 1, this one is 9. Now if I give 1 0 1 0, now see, we can get this input here. This is the output, the final, that is this particular decimal, this particular display is showing 1 and this is 0. So that means the circuit that we have designed is a correct circuit. Now let's check for 11. 1 0 1 1 is 11. Now this is again we are getting the correct display 1 and 1. 1 0 1 1 is 1 and 1. Now let's check for 12. 12 is 1 1 0 0. Correct. So 1 1 0 0. I am getting 12 as a display here. Now let us check for 13. It is 1 1 0 1. I am getting 13 here. Okay. So 1 1 0 1. I am getting 13. Now let's check for 14. It is 1 1 1 0. Again I am getting 14 here. It is 1 1 1 0. Now let us check for 15. Now I'm getting 15. All are 1 1 1 1 1. I'm getting 15 as a display. Clear? So that is how we can design it. Design 4-bit binary into decimal. Clear? So 4-bit binary is shown in the form of decimal here. By making use of 2 7-segment displays, we can design 4-bit binary into